Nomenclature. Alcohols. Here we have methyl attached with alcohol. Common name is obtained by adding word alcohol to the common name of alkyl group, that is methyl alcohol. And IUPAC name can be obtained by adding all to the name of alkyl group, that is methanol. Similarly, N-propyl added by alcohol is called as N-propyl alcohol, and IUPAC name propane 1-ol. Cyclic alcohols. Cyclo is prefixed to the name to indicate the cyclic structure. Hexane represents hexagonal structure to show the presence of alcohol. The name is added by all. So the name is cyclohexanol. Similarly, methyl, cyclo, pentane, all. 2-methyl cyclopentanol. Phenols. Both common and IUPAC name of phenol is same. Ortho, meta and para, or simply O, M and P are prefixed to the common name to indicate the position of the functional group. In IUPAC naming, numbers are prefixed to indicate the position of the functional group. 2-methylphenol, 3-methylphenol and 4-methylphenol. Similarly, catechol, benzene 1,2-diol, resorcinol, benzene 1,3-diol, hydroquinone, benzene 1,4-diol. Ethers. Common name of any ether can be obtained by adding word ether to the common name of alkyl group, that is dimethyl ether, and IUPAC name by including word oxy between the IUPAC names of alkyl groups. Methoxymethane. Similarly, common name diethyl ether and IUPAC name ethoxyethane.